Xfinity Flex allows you to install and update apps directly from its platform. To install an app, navigate to the Apps section on your Flex home screen. Browse through categories like entertainment, sports, or lifestyle to find the app you want. Select the app and tap Install. All apps are sourced from Comcast's curated store, ensuring compatibility and security. App updates are generally automatic to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. To manually check for updates, go to the My Apps section. This streamlined process makes it easy to customize your streaming experience. Xfinity Flex offers a range of customization options to personalize your streaming. You can create up to 6 user profiles per account, each with custom avatars and watch lists. Advanced settings let you adjust themes, like enabling dark mode for OLED screens, and set parental controls. The interface is designed for ease of use, featuring a grid-based layout and natural language processing for voice search. By integrating third-party apps like Netflix or Hulu, you can create a unified viewing experience. Customization is key to getting the most out of your Xfinity Flex device.